Hey guys, and welcome to Real Video. If this is the first time you're joining me here on Real Videos, welcome, and if not, welcome. Today you're joining me in a beautiful, sunny, overcast, wet, good old English morning. So, we've been trying to think, we play some games, we've done some crazy tweets. What we're going to do for a bit of a change is we're going to try some Polish food. So, the key word is Polish. I would also like to add that I guaranteed I will just terrible pronunciation of Polish words. And if that's the case, I apologize. What we're going to do is we're going to try some food. And, well, let me rephrase that. Not food, snacks. We're going to try some Polish snacks. And, yeah, we'll go from there. Got a bit of a butcher's of this one. This is Milkizz. Milkizz. Extra smack. I love that. Extra smack. Mleka Tubks. T-U-B-K. Tubk. Mleka Tubk. So, alright, let's try this out, shall we? So, yeah. Marwell. I'm assuming that's a company name. It looks like a Marwell with a registered trademark on it. Marwell. Okay, let's try it. Yeah. That's actually not bad. Huh. Wow. Kind of has a kind of a milky, very light milk chocolatey chocolate to it. You know, the milk chocolate flavor with a kind of a stodgy milk, inner milk flavor to it. That's actually not that bad. I'm quite impressed by that. I'd actually consider buying this now when I'm not even doing the videos. So, Milkizz. That gets a thumbs up from me. Definitely. Right. Okay, let's try something else, shall we? What to go next, people? What to go next? Let's try Princessa. Coco Sowa. Coco Sowa? Again, I know I'm just showing the names. I do apologize, guys. If you're Polish and you're watching this, my apologies. But yeah. So, looks like some sort of coconut. By the look of the picture, looks like some sort of coconut thing. Kind of has a feeling of a wafer to it. Okay. That's quite a coconut wafer or something. Well, we'll try that one, shall we? Oh, that was unexpected. It's white. Yeah, it's white. That's actually quite good. See, there you go. Have a look. Smells like wafer with a. Oh. Oh, that's really nice. I shall be buying that again. Ooh. Very light. Milk chocolate. 3 bits of wafer there. The chocolate's not too sweet. It's a very mild sweetness to it. Highly recommend that one. That's actually a really nice one, that is. Wow. That's from Red Bangladesh. Very nice. Very nice, in fact. Wow. Can't really taste the coconut per se. You get a hint of coconut, but no. This one? Definitely a thumbs up for that. Wow. That's really quite good, actually. Alright, alright. Try a bit of chocolate this time. What this is? Oranzada. Oranzada? O-R-A-N-Z-A-D-A. Oranzada. Okay. 250 ml. Originally smack. Guys, in the comments down below, tell me what smack means, because I keep seeing it repeated in various things on these snacks. Smack. Original. Original. Yeah, I'm really just showing these words right now. Anyway, let's crack into it, shall we? A little bit of a fizz. Kind of. Oh yeah, that's Ooh, that's it's. I'm okay, darling. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Oh, that's. Oh, wow. That's definitely something. Okay, I'm gonna regret what I'm about to do. I was a bit of a shock that one to the system. I'm gonna try it again. Jesus, here we go. Wish me luck. Oh, that's yeah. Give that one a move to the side. Woo! Right. Wow. Okay. Alright. Chalawa. Chalawa. Okay. It feels quite soft, actually. I'm not sure what it's supposed to represent. There's no there's no picture on here. There's no picture on that to say what it is that I can see. It looks like a weedy, kind of a I don't know, you know. There's no picture that can tell me what it is. It's all in Polish. I can't read any of it. There's no clues. This. My cello now. No. This. Wow, this is going to be an interesting one, I think. Alright, let's try this. Ooh. Okay. Did you see this? Yeah, that's really not nice. That's. I don't even know if this is supposed to be a snack. I'm not sure what it is. Wow. Guys, let me know in English if this is even a snack, because this does not taste like a snack. I might be just like so silly. If it is a snack, wow. If it's not a snack, I've just made a complete ass of myself. Chalawa. That leaves you a bad taste in your mouth, actually. Chalawa. Wow. Okay. Alright. What's next on the agenda, guys? Alibi Max. Yeah? Alibi. A-L-I-B-I Max. Alibi Max. Oh, some English on this one. Okay. Alibi Max. Alright, let's try that. Kind of looks a little bit like a Lion Bar, to be honest. Tastes like a Lion Bar. Bit stronger chocolate, tiny bit sweeter. Yeah. I've got a bit of a nutty thing going on. Wow. Okay. Quite reasonable. That's alright, actually. Not too bad at all. Right. We've churned through quite a few things now. Excuse me while I just wash my mouth out here. Right, what's next on the agenda, people? I'm kind of interested to find out what this is. This looks a E-Weedle. E-Weedle. A Weedle? E-Weedle. I have to say, this kind of looks like a Jaffa cake. But that's a raspberry. That looks like Jaffa. And that looks like cake. Hence, raspberry Jaffa cake. That's where I'm going with this one. Alright, let's try it. You smell the raspberry. Woo! Dude, this is so Jaffa cake. Oh, look! Nice little writing on the back. Okay. Looks like a Jaffa cake. Smells like a Jaffa cake, except for the different flavor. I mean, no? Kind of, the gelatin texture is completely different. Yeah. It's quite... Okay. Kind of a stronger gelatin. Gelatin's a bit more rigid. The cake is quite dryish actually. Still alright, still edible. Right. So that was E-Weedle. Original Weedle chocolate. Alright. Wow. Kind of curious to find out what this one is actually. You feel the texture of it, it's quite solid. It still moves, but it's still quite solid one. We'll come back to that one a bit later. Right. Prince Polo. That's a good one. Prince Polo. Add 1955 Roku Classic. Is Prince Polo a classic? Leave in the comments down below, guys, if Prince Polo is a classic. If you're a Polish person and you eat this, tell me what the English equivalent is, yeah? Tell me if there might not even be an English equivalent, but let me know. Kind of feels more like wafery again. So we're going to go from there. Okay. Wow, that's a dark chocolate, isn't it? It does smell like dark chocolate, actually. Bit of a wafer thing going on there. That's right. There's a flavor I can't place. I'm not too sure about that, to be honest. Okay. Chocolate. Wafer. I'm about to decide on that one, to be honest. Right. Okay. These look interesting. They look like American pretzels. They're just straight. Bez Kidziki. Bez Kidziki. Bez Kidziki. I know I'm doing this really bad. Right. Smells kind of like, smells pretzel-y. Looks like a branch. I'm not quite enough actually. A bit of salt. Kind of a dry, breadsticky, kind of salted breadstick. Yeah, kind of salted breadstick. That's just not there. Okay. Them are quite good. I like them. Definitely. Right. Okay. So we have Sazeko Tubuka. We have Aha. We have Advocate, whatever that is. We have Lemo Frugo Lemo Blue Lemon, whatever that drink is. We have this one, and I gotta say this one was more expensive than all of them, to be honest. So this best be the damn shizzle. I mean, I'm telling you, this best be shizzle, because if this turns out to be her, yeah, that's gone down the toilet. That's tell ya. Well, fingers crossed. We have Famaline waffle wafers. It's like chocolate waffles. You see those? And over here we have Kurowaka. K-R-O-W-K-A. Kurowaka. Some sort of toffee. Alright. So, what do we try next? Let's go with something that I'm not too... Again, still looking forward to this one. Alright. Let's try this one. Blue lemon. Okay. We saw what happened to the first drink I tried. Tastes like not much, to be honest. Tastes kind of like a lightly hinted blue. I don't know if blue's the flavor. Kind of a very light lemony hint, like somebody's washed the water through a bunch of lemons but not actually put lemon in it. Yeah, that wasn't... Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to give this one a thumbs down. Yeah, just there wasn't much flavour to that at all. Okay, we're moving on. We are down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to go, and then it will be the end of the video. Right, let's try some safe bet. Let's try with a Famaline, because you know I like my wafer stuff. It seems so does the Polish people. Polish people must like wafers, because there's stacks of wafer snacks, I have to say. Yeah, definitely a wafer. Alright. Okay, so this is Famaline, that one. Waffle wafers. That's what it looks like on the side. Okay. Is that chocolate? Again. Not bad, not bad. Alright. Right. So these ones, thumbs up. Definitely get a thumbs up. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's go with Advocat. This one. Advocat. Polish food. Again from Małel. Okay, it looks some sort of complex chocolate, some sort of chocolate. It smells like chocolate. Oh, mate. That is nice. Well, Max, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's another, it's that flavour again. I couldn't recognise it from before. Bit of alcohol, maybe? Is there alcohol in this? Okay, okay. So far, all the snacks, except for the odd exception, spot on, mate. Alright. We're getting near the end of the video, guys. I taste like whiskey. Rum? No, definitely whiskey. Right. Do you want to try this one? Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so we got a picture of a cow, and we got Sezeko Tubica. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, okay. So that's just squeezing it up. Ah! Alright. Guess I'm just gonna eat it like this. Wow, that's strong chocolate. Kids won't be shooting. Kids shouldn't be eating this. Jesus, that's sweet. Wow, is that marketed to kids? Jesus. I'll be running around like the Energizer Bunny. God, that is strong. Give me a minute. Whew. Okay, okay. Right. Aha. sesame snacks. Now, I'm not the biggest sesame snacks fan, but for the interest of science and the betterment of mankind, I'm willing to try this. We shall see. Smells like sesame seed and bit of honey. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Yeah. Good. Guys. Ah. No, just no. Stop. If you make this, stop. I'm telling you. Yeah. Right. Ah. All right, down to the last two people. Last two. I think what we'll do is we'll try these ones and we'll see these flavors. So we're looking at Pistachio Macaco. Macaco? Mecazoko? Alright. These are the expensive ones. I don't know how these are, but these are proper expensive. Oh Jesus, I got 2 trays in here. Okay. Ooh. We have that. Okay. Pizeki Mako. Let's try one of these. Bit of a beastie chocolate in it. That's what we're eating. Wow, that's a dark chocolate that is. It tastes like chocolate and milk. It tastes like solid milk. Cream? No. Wow. Yeah, not for me, guys. Sorry. Okay. Alright.